Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving the essentials so you can restore custom values. First, open System Settings or System Preferences and go straight to Network. Once there, unlock the padlock with your admin password and select the active interface like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. While selected, jot down IP, subnet, DNS, and any proxy settings. These are easy to lose. Now that you have a record, proceed to the next step to remove and recreate the interfaces, so Mac OS rebuilds clean network configs. Next, remove the problem interface so Mac OS can regenerate fresh settings. Select the interface and click the minus button, confirm removal when prompted. Once removed, click the plus button, pick the same interface type, name it, and add it back. Apply the changes and then renew the DHCP lease from the advanced settings. This forces a fresh IP and routing. Make sure DNS entries are in the order you want since DNS ordering affects resolution. Once re-added, test connectivity with a browser or ping to verify progress. To finish, if the interface rebuild didn't help, remove corrupt preference files. In Finder, go to /library/preferences/system configuration and move COM. Apple, network asterisk and related plists to the trash, then restart your Mac. Also power cycle the router to clear its cache. After reboot, reconnect and re-enter saved settings. If problems continue, try safe mode or create a new user to see if it's a user-level preference issue. Troubleshooting tip: if network remains flaky, test with another device to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.